Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to play with the One Size Patrick Star Visionary Eyeshadow Palette. And I thought it was messed up at first, but it's crooked because it's made for you to open it up if you have fingernails. So it's easier to open with long nails. But anyways, I also pulled some other newer stuff that I just got in the mail the past couple of days to make a full face. So we're going to see what kind of look that we can come up with. So if you're wanting to see that, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take my glasses off. I'm going to put on a little bit of Milani eye primer. And I already did my eyebrows. I used the Hourglass Arch, so that's done. And we're going to go into the One Size palette. This is again what it looks like. Flip it open, and that's the inside. And it's got a big nice mirror on it, and it's mainly neutral with a pop of blue and a few greens. So, and first I'm going to go into Mango right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. I'm going to go into Soft Serve right here, and I'm going to deepen my crease up with that. I'm going to take Brownie right here, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner of my eye, right there. I keep putting my brush in front of it. Alright, I'm going to take Walnut Strut right here on my finger, and I'm going to put that on the other half of my eye. Now we're going to go into the eye popper. And this one's in shade Pea House, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that on the inner part of my eye. Taking a cotton round and some micellar water, I'm going to clean up any of the edges. Alright, I'm taking the Revlon Skin Lights Face Cloak Illuminator. I'm going to dot that on my face. Alright, I'm taking the Revlon Candid, Photo Ready Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation. And I'm in shade 120 Buff. Taking my foundation brush and I'm going to blend that out. And I'm taking the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Antioxidant Concealer. And I'm going to put that on my under eyes. I'm blending that out with my concealer brush. Taking my number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light, and I'm going to put that on my under eyes. I'm taking the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in Sunlight. And I'm just going to warm my face up with this. And I'm going under the chin and down the neck. And this is the Wild Nothings Colourpop Pressed Powder Cheek. And this is in Wayfarer. And I'm going to put that on my cheeks. Ooh, this is a pretty blush. It's a real pretty blush. And I'm going over the nose so I can be sun-kissed and sunburnt. Now I've got the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting palette, and that's what she looks like. And I think I'm going to take the icy one and the pink one, so this one and this one, and I'm going to put that on my face. Whew. That is pretty too, icy. Going down the nose, over Cupid's bow, and the chin. I am glowy now. I'm going to take Soft Serve again, and I'm going to put that up underneath my eye. I'm going to take Walnut Strut, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. I'm going to put on some Lash Princess. I picked up when I got that palette the Sephora Favorites Gimme Some Shine Lip Sampler. It's got Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme, Fenty Beauty, the NARS, Patrick Ta, and one from Lancome. All little lip glosses. And I'm going to try the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs in Fussy. Smells so good. I'm going to use the Maybelline New York Glass Spray. Alright, well this is the final look using the Patrick Star One Size palette and some of my new things that I got. The palette I'm really excited about. I really like the color story. I've really been into neutrals lately, so it speaks to me. It's just a very pretty palette, so, and it works great, it blends great, so I'm pretty excited to be able to keep playing with it. The blush I really love. I think it's a really pretty color, so I'm pretty excited to play with that some more. The Wet n Wild highlighter palette, I've had one of their highlighters before, and it's pretty much the same formula, so if you like their highlighters, you know, this is the same thing. I got it off their website. So, oh, the little glitter poppers, or what are they called? Eye poppers. I really like these. I want to get some more, a different color, the green one. I want to get the green one to use them because it's really pretty. I don't know about taking it off, what it's going to look like. It probably get everywhere, but it's really beautiful. So this is definitely a winner for me. The palette's a winner. The blush and the highlighter palette. And the lip gloss as well. I really love the lip gloss, so I'll have to try the rest of the lip things. I'll keep trying them in all my videos, so we'll get get them tried out and see what we think about them. Highlighters are blinding. I'm sitting here looking at them and they're like blinding me, but like in a good way. Looks like I'm dewy. Alright, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our family, and ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Well, I guess that's all for me today. I hope you had fun, and I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.